Hi everyone, so in this video we are going to go over the directories on Mac and how to get a code running so that you can easily go to the other codes. So we are looking at the Finder window on Mac. If you are wondering how you go there, you just have a Finder window right here, or you can also search the Finder window from the Spotlight, which is command space and just write Finder. Yeah, so you have the Finder window right here. In the Finder window, you can see I have some things in there, my favorites, like I have my name right here, so it will take me to my directory what I have there. Like I have my desktop right here, I have my documents right there. And if you are switching here from Windows user, you can see we do not have something called Windows C here, so it's basically everything goes here. And you can see application, where you can have few of your application here. So this is it. And generally, as a good practice, everybody keep their files organized in their documents. So you can see my documents file here. I have a lot of things here. I have my writing separately, my first semester work here separately, and everything separately. So like that, I have my R files right here. And I have my business research and summer projects right here. So you are a BQA student. So let's create a new folder, BQA students. So you can see you can have other files here from your coursework and you can download it over here. And so when you are working with your projects in this course, make sure to have everything in the same directory. Just have everything in here so that you can easily access the other files that you download from the Canvas. Now let's go to the Google Chrome. So we are here, we are in week 2 exploring data. For now, we only need to download the first few files around here. So let's download it. So you can see it took us to the drive. We can just go here and download, and it's downloading. So it's downloaded, and let's download the other file too. We have a CSV file. You can see the download icon right here. Just download it here. That is also downloaded, but the question is, where is it downloaded? So let's go. It's not downloaded to the directory we wanted, so probably most of the things get downloaded to your downloads. But if you're unsure, or if you can't see your file in downloads, you can go here, you can go to the downloads, and you have an option right here, I guess, show in Finder. It will show you where exactly your file is. But yeah, as a good practice, it's always better to download it to your required place. So let's move it to the place we want it. So we want it in my documents, R files, BQA students. So I want my file to be here. So let's just select this. I really like dragging my files. This is way easier. Just drag it right here. So you can see it's dragged right here and it's in the right directory, and I can cross this extra Finder window. But just for convenience, rather than just dragging files when you need to have it in the directory you want, it's always better to adjust your download settings. You can go to the settings, then you can see downloads, and you can click here and enable this, like ask where to save your files. So after you do this, you can go to the BQA directory right here, and when you download the file, yeah, you can see it asks me where I want my file to be. So in my recent, I put it in my statistics, so it asks me whether I want it to be there again, but I don't want it there. I want it under my R files, BQA students. This is where I want it, so I would do save. Okay, I can ask it to override because it's just saying we already have it there, so we can just say replace. So that's all about download. Make sure you download everything in the required directory. And the other thing that we wanted to cover in this video would be about, let's go to our RStudio. So this is a new RStudio. This is a terminal right here. So here we want to make sure we have the working directly to the directory we are working. So for that, you can go to the sessions and do set working directory and choose directory. So where do I want to work? Right now it's under business research, but let's go from the first. Let's go to documents, R files, BQA students, and this is where I want to work. So I will just do open, and we will be working right here. And let's also open other R file, and change what we need to change. So we do open, so we have it right there. So the main thing about this video is about we have this instruction right here to change the working directory, and the working directory would be different for different people. So the directory Dr. Franz has may not work for us. So we would just copy this location to make sure we are in the right directory. We will just copy this location, and it will be like this. As we had the code earlier, we can keep this, and like this means documents. The first thing right here, it means documents. We can just have that and write about our files and business research, but there is no loss in just copy pasting it. So you have it right there, and you want to just run this file. So the working directory is set, and you can just follow the instruction now. But before you go through every line, make sure you have the required libraries run so that you wouldn't have any problem in the code below. So yeah, you can have the required libraries. Yeah, it's loading the packages and it's working right there. So you can now go through the other two videos, main videos. This video is just a prereq in case you need help with setting the working directory. If you have any questions, you can just email Dr. Franz. He would definitely help you. Have a good day.